Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Amir Anizam Ali. Just call me Amir. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a tutorial on how to create or how to construct a table and how to create a chart based on the data from the table only by using Google Sheets. So first thing first, what you need to do is open your Google Chrome and go here, click this to see some Google apps. Scroll down and as you can see here, Sheets. Click on Sheets. Then this what will be appeared in your screen. Google Sheets actually has provided us some template um, just in case if we want to create maybe an invoice or annual budget or maybe a wedding planner. We can choose any of these anything that we want to create. So in this video, I'm going to use the blank one. So this is the blank one. So before we create a chart, basically we need to have some data, right? So my data is about the profits and losses of a small restaurant. So the data is just an example. Don't take it serious. So first, I'm going to type number, month, profits, and losses. So for number, I just type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The data that I used only about for only in 6 months. So as you as you saw just now, it takes time for me to type one by one for the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it takes times, right? So I want to show you guys how to um, add this number like quickly. So first, you need to have a pattern number like this, 1 and 2. Just drag column A2 until A3. Then as you can see, the small rectangle over here, click on it and drag until A7, column A7. Okay, then there you go. You will have a number 1 until number 6. Let's see. If you want to add more, just bring it downward. Then it will appear like this. It is easier, right? But for this, I just need number 1 until number 6. So let me skip this. So there you go. This is the just an example data. Okay. As you can see here, the number is very close to this line. I don't like this. I want to make it to be center. So what I can do is just drag from column A2 until A7 and go here, alignment, click on this and choose center. Then the number will be placed in the center of the column. So the data, I want to change this data into RM or Ringgit Malaysia. So how can I do that? How I can do that? First, just as usual, drag all these value or data, go to format and go to number, click on Malaysian Ringgit. For this, I have used this in the my in my previous task. For you, if you are still new, just go to more formats, more currencies, click on more currencies, and choose Malaysian Ringgit here. Or you can type Malaysian Ringgit here. Then you just click apply. So the data here will be in Ringgit Malaysia. Then I'm going to start to construct a table. Just drag from column A1 until D7 and click borders here and choose all borders. There you go. Then you will have a table. Then let's say I want to make this topic, these rows in colored. So let's say I want to just go to here, fill color, click fill color, and let's say if I want green, yeah, click green. Then here you go. Okay. Now we have the data. Then let's start to create a chart. So how to create chart? As usual, if you want to create a chart based on the month profit and losses, you need to drag all of this, all of the data. I mean, from column B1 until D7. Then you can go to menu, click insert, and click chart. Or you just can go to this shortcut and click this icon, insert chart. Okay, click chart. Okay, then it will be automatically in this form. So right here we have a chart editor. You can set up the chart and you can customize it. Let's say if you suddenly close this chart editor, don't be panic, and what you need to do is just right click on this chart and click chart style. Then you will have your chart editor back. So for this setup, you may choose your chart type. Maybe and there will be a suggested one. You can maybe you can choose line chart, combo chart, and area chart, or you can choose the other types here. Okay, and then for stacking, if you want your data to be in stacking, you may choose standard or 100%. So it will show you like this. So let's say let's choose none. So here is the data range, which where I have dragged just now, which is from B1. It's B1 until B7. B7. Okay. Okay, let's go to customize. Okay, in customize, you can customize your chart style, chart and axis titles, series, legend, horizontal axis, vertical axis, and grid lines and ticks. So first, we are going to chart style. Okay, for chart style, you can change your background color, you can change your font, border color, and you can reset the layout. Okay, for background color, let's say I want a yellow color as a background color. So this is what it will be looks like. So for the font, maybe I want to use Arial. So okay, for the layout, if you want to look to make it look maximized, then just tick maximize. If you want this chart look 3D, just 3D, and compare mode. This is compare mode already, and 3D. Let's see. Okay. And then let's go to chart and axis titles. For title text, okay, if you want to change your title text, just click on this box and type your text. So this is the title text right here. So it is the same as the chart style, which you can change the font size, and you can change the format and text color. Okay. For series, for series, you can change the series axis format. Maybe you can choose either left axis or right axis. This one is right axis and this one is left axis, but I prefer left axis because it is more easier to read the data rather than the right axis. So here we have error bars. So let's say if you want to have an error bars, just click here, then it will appear like this. And then data labels. So the labels, the value of the each bars will be appeared. And then trend line, you can see the trend of the of each graph of each bars. Sorry. Okay, before that I forgot to say that the blue bars is representing the profits, and the red bars is representing the losses. Okay. Then we go to legend. So here for legend, you can change the font size, format. It just same like chart and axis titles and chart style. So for horizontal axis, you can change the font size, text color, format. Okay, let's say for the horizontal axis, I want to make it bold. Then just click on bold. Then it will be bold. So for vertical axis, let's say I want to make it the format is in italic. Just click on italic. Yeah. Then for scale factor, you may choose one of this. But I prefer just click on default. Okay, for grid lines and text, okay, this is the last one. Grid lines and text. So this is what you have look right now is major grid lines. Okay, this one is major grid lines. Then if you want to add the minor grid lines, just click on minor grid lines and it will appear like this. So with minor grid lines, you can read the data like more correct. Okay. For major ticks, it will appear like this. This is the major ticks, or and plus with minor ticks. So this is also will make you feel like easy to read the data. So I think that's all from me. Thank you, and I hope that what I have shared in this video will make you will give you some benefits. All right, bye.